Okay, what we got here?
What do we got for you, huh?
We got a target there, though. That's for damn show.
What do you mean? Don't target anything. Nah. Oh, that's fucking annoying.
Oh, yeah, that thing does not have good line of sight. You gotta make sure it is directly in front.
Yep. I did a little bit of playtesting with it, and it fucking melts, dude.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get any use out of it.
You shouldn't be worried about it as much as you are, though, too.
I got my guys trapped.
That's great. You don't need to run. Go ahead.
Oh, melted, dude.
Oh, that's not what I want. Right, damn it.
Why is he so wounded, huh? Are those cannons? What was hitting him?
Who?
Balthazar.
Well, I did my gunnery wipes on them, and also
The cannons?
no, the cannons I think are going after your cavalry.
Yeah, they're getting shredded.
Damn it! Stop running. Get in there.
This is not going well.
Oh, it actually is kind of in my favor here.
Oh yeah, way in your favor. I think the build is predicated upon me headshotting your lord.
Which is why I did not bring him on his mount thing.
Why is that?
Because he would have been a lot easier to snipe if he was, taller.
He's still pretty easy. I mean, actually, it's harder to hit him on the dragon because they can fly around.
Oh, he doesn't have a dragon. He has that the Necroflex Colossus thing. Dude, why do I have no magic? Come on.
There we go. Oh, there goes Balthazar.
Forgot about this thing. Okay, yeah, you guys get back over here. Let them go.
not the zombies. Nope, that's it. Rip. Good game.
Yes, good game.
That was rough. Oh, those guys are unbreakable. They're gonna fight forever. We can fast forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're not gonna die. Yeah, you can send something to fight. The other one, well, here we go. I'll send them.
I see.
Yeah.
I didn't realize there were two of them.
We're gonna play at full speed. Chase me! Haha! You will never get me! Oh, okay, you got me.
Oh wow, my bombers like went all the way to the end of the map. Hilarious.
Man, that was rough. I'll have to rewatch that and see what killed my lord so quickly. Come on, dude. Okay. That doesn't bode well for next week.
So yeah, your lord, I had my gunnery lights on him, like firing on him, and I also did. Nokolis has that like kind of bombardment